Mama, don't cry. I'm gonna make things work. Never stop praying for us even when they're experiencing the worst. I am here fighting tough days, Mom, inside hurts. But don't cry. Even though tears in my eyes, I'm crying out to God as if I'm inside a church. Listen this, I will not quit even if I have to keep crawling in the dirt. Don't cry. Dada, don't cry. You try to make things work. You're my first hero. You motivate me to serve. Son about about thinking I failed. Dad, I value your worth. You inspire immensely. Almighty God is at work. I am going to ignite luminosity all over this earth. I told my kids don't cry. They never got it at first. They were so excited seeing Daddy's first merch. It's not like my sales boosting online. Honestly, at times it seems like my life in reverse. Many depending on me. I have to emerge. I swear to God, I'm gonna break this generational curse. Don't cry.